What's up, ladies and gentlemen? So I actually haven't made one of these videos in a while, not necessarily predicting the price of Solo, but definitely predicting a movement in price of Solo. And I think the price is going to move because demand is going to start tomorrow, actually. And if you can see right here, we're at the bottom right here. This is the all-time low, and this is when the snapshot was announced, somewhere around here, one of these days. And this rise in price is what people would call an inorganic price appreciation, or pump, if you will. And the reason why that is inorganic is because it was based off of hype, essentially, that if you held Solo, you would get more Solo. It was a snapshot with an airdrop, and that all came, well, that led to a pump in the price, an appreciation. And then, investors took profit, it came down, and then they picked it back up because the snapshot wasn't until the 24th, which was right here. But around this time, on the 20th, there was an announcement that I think was announced right here, saying that there was in this area, saying there was going to be an announcement in this area. And when it got to this area, investors did not like that announcement, and that announcement was there's going to be a snapshot for Corium every month of 2022, and then also 2023 for Core. So in 2022, it's a snapshot for Solo to get Core. In 2023, it was a snapshot, or will be a snapshot of Core to get more Core. And when that was announced, the price just it dumped. I mean, I don't want to say dumped, but you can see that it decreased from 7 XRP to 2 XRP. Came up a little bit for the snapshot, and then on the 24th, right after the snapshot, it just fell down. Now, this, I think up here, the people that sold were really wanting the NFT marketplace to go live, or at least have an announcement about the marketplace. But that just wasn't the case, and the marketplace wasn't announced until somewhere down here in this area, after they had already announced the Corium snapshot, the Sologenic snapshot, and then here it was, and then it went live on, or the beta live on the 26th or 27th, I can't remember, which was a week after the distribution started. And so right now we are, well, the beta went live, as you've seen in our past videos. The beta NFT marketplace was live, and there was some bugs. And so that led to the marketplace not being able to go live in the sense that you're able to buy and sell NFTs. And so that's going to happen tomorrow on February 9th. I don't believe they've announced the time yet. But what I have caught wind of or heard from being a part of different groups is that you're going to be buying and selling NFTs in Solo, not in XRP, not in these other coins with the NFTs that are saying you can get, like the Xpunks, I think, is 1 coin per NFT or whatever. I'm not sure how they're going to work that, because the NFTs on the Sologenic marketplace, these NFTs are going to be bought and sold in Solo. In order for them to list these NFTs, they had to burn 3 Solo. So I haven't heard of any metrics as of now that have announced how much Solo has been burnt, but I'm pretty sure it's a lot. As you can see, just right here, that's 3, just right there, that's 9 Solo that have been burnt. And then tomorrow, when it goes live, you're gonna have to buy these in Solo. So that is why I'm saying there's gonna be a demand for Solo. Like, this was really genius the way they've planned this, because if you look at OpenSea, you can buy NFTs with Ethereum or Matic if you're on the Polygon Matic side of the OpenSea. But here, at least right now, from what I've heard, is that you're going to need Solo. And that is one more addition to the utility of Sologenic. So now people are demanding Solo just to hold it for the snapshot to get Corium, because they see value in the potential of Corium solving a lot of the network's issues. Not just XRPL, but a lot of the other networks, layer 1 networks, have similar issues, and Corium is going to tackle those issues and try to solve them for tokenizing assets of around Sologenic. So it's just Sologenic evolving with that use case, and people are demanding to hold Solo to get that snapshot of Corium every month. And then also NFT creators have been demanding Solo to mint Solo, and they'll continue to demand Solo to mint Solo because that's the nature of this marketplace. And in order to buy NFTs, NFT investors will have to buy Solo. And for the most part, they might have to buy XRP too, because, well, they got to get to Solo, to the Sologenic DEX, and a lot of them might not go through Solo first. A lot of them might already have XRP. They're just going to move it off exchanges onto their Xumm wallet, connect their Xumm wallet up into the Solo exchange and the Solo DEX or NFT marketplace, and they're going to convert right on this chart Solo to XRP. And it's gonna be just like that. So I see. Well, first of all, you're gonna have to test this level right here. Let me try to get a straight line right here. Gonna have to probably test that, or not probably, but you will. You're gonna have to test that level right there. That's a little better, a little higher right there. And then you're just gonna have to test every level right here. These are going to be all little tests, and then it's just going to come up here to this area. And once it gets to this area, this is actually a big area for this to get to, because it's going to, well, it's going to break this line. If you see that right there, that was, my line couldn't do this straight. Hold on. But it's going to have to break out of that right there. So you'll see the candles come up, work their way up, test this somewhere, and then work its way up, test that again, and then it'll come up here and it'll test these levels. How long that'll take, who knows? It could take the whole year. It could take 2 years, but I doubt it, because this whole time you got demand. There's going to be true demand. This is organic right here. This is going to be organic. So from the very beginning of this video, I talked about how this was inorganic. And that was, they were telling you the plan. This is the plan. This is what's going to happen. And then, boom, price drops. Now, it's going to happen. So a lot of projects, they tell you the plan, and then it happens, and then it comes down for a long time without the demand picking up for the coin. But in this case, it's already been, they've talked about tokenizing assets from way back here, around here, probably even before that. I'm not entirely sure, but actually I think it was before that. And they said they wanted to tokenize assets, and they've just been running into obstacles all the time, and for good reasons. It's not easy to do what Sologenic is trying to do, and I appreciate them trying to do it, because we need it. Everybody, wherever you live, you deserve to buy whatever stock of a company you would like to buy, and Sologenic is going to ensure that happens. Whether they have to buy a company that already has the licensing that allows them to do it, or they build Corium, and Corium is enabled to do it, and they're just going to get it done. Also with probably buying a company, because they're able to do that. And so Yeah, if you look at this on the weekly chart, I mean, it's been in the red. But as you can see, as fast as it moved up in the green, in these weeks, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. So in 2 months, it went from all-time low to all-time high. And right here, it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exactly 2 months. It's testing, it's holding right here, which is about where we thought it would hold. I mean, yeah, it has came down a little bit, but it hasn't came all the way down. And I actually think that has a lot to do with the price of XRP dropping, because the price of XRP dropped to like 60 cents. So Sologenic was able to stay strong on this chart, Solo, by paired with XRP. So it didn't go to all-time low or back down here. Now, all that said, it could go down, but literally as we're speaking, I mean, look at this order book. It's just red coming in, red. There was some green, but it's time. The time has come. Tomorrow, the Sologenic marketplace opens, and we are going to see the demand for Solo pick up. I mean, most of the people that are invested in XRPL tokens are invested in NFTs. I know I am. I'm invested in. I got some Club, some Fractal. I got some XBot, and Fractal is gonna bring a whole bunch of different ones. XR Pitbull I think converted from a payment coin to an NFT coin. Huge Tits is a nonprofit to help women get their breast implants out that went bad, and they don't have the money to get them out. But then they're also creating NFTs. Like a lot of I don't know if Reaper is gonna have NFTs, but a lot of them are having NFTs, and that's just what it is. This one guy I got rugged on some of them, but I'm just watching him. Hopefully, to get some of that initial investment out. But that's that. This is red, but I don't see it being down here that much longer. We got demand coming. It's just a matter of time. The airdrop is over, so I mean, all of the supply is out for Sologenic, and that's that. Yeah, that's that. Have a mighty and powerful day, and good luck tomorrow on your investments in your NFT portfolio on the XRP ledger. It's going to be awesome. Have a mighty and powerful day.